Let's get right into it, you guys. Today we're doing powder nails. Super easy, super simple. We're taking these nasty looking nails to this easy, quick. You can do it at home. All these products that I got are from Amazon. Super cheap. I'm gonna give you alternative because I actually didn't like the ones that I did. But anyways, let's get right into this. Of course, you always want to remove anything you have on your nails. I follow that by filing my nails. I actually file my nail bed slightly, not too much, just because I like how the fake nails adhere to my actual real nails when I do file them. Anyways, the next step is just finding your nail shape, and I'm using this nail kit right here that I got from Amazon. Super cheap, and these are clear fake nails, and as you can see I have a whole bunch of different sizes here, so I'm gonna go check which one is my size for each nail. So I now have my nails right here. What I'm gonna do next is just go ahead and glue them. And these are nail tip. Once again, they are also numbered, which makes it super easy to find the second nail. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue this on my tips like this, just right there like that. And this is the glue that I'm using today. And I just like to put a little drop in there and then just hold it onto the tip for a few, like that. And this glue pretty much glues it on really quickly. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this step fast forward so you guys don't get bored. Okay, so all my nails are pretty much on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and shape them. You can use whatever you want to cut them down, if you want it this long or if you want to shape them to something else. I'm just gonna cut them a little tiny bit down just because they're a bit too long for me right now, and I like to use this tool to do that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting. That might be a little too short, honestly, but whatever. I like about this short. So once just now are cut down and you have the desired shape, you can start filing them just so they won't have those like sharp edges, which can definitely cut somebody. So I'm using just a filer like this one just to kind of like shape them down. Okay, you guys, so pretty much my nails are shaped to the desire that I like, how I like them. They look bomb in my opinion. I like how they look. The length and everything is pretty cool. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is start the process of the powder. So this is the powders that I have here. I'm gonna be using this one right here, which is a very pretty soft pink. And this I'm gonna link where I got everything from on the description, so make sure you guys check that out. But this is the powder that I'm gonna be using here. For the powder, the first thing I'm gonna do is apply this primer. I am not a professional, you guys. I'm not saying that this is the right way. This is just what I do because it's so freaking quick, but this is no way the right way to do it, but hey, it's my way. So this is just like a UV coat basically that I apply, and you could just dip your finger inside the powder or just pour it on top, which is what I did. I don't know why, because well, the little container was so small actually. Of course, you want to remove any excess by tapping on your fingers or anything like that. Then I go ahead and apply a little bit of another top coat of that UV coat, and then I just repeat the same process all over my nails. And for this product to activate, you do have to put your nail under UV light. I definitely regret getting this one that looks like a flashlight. It's better to get those that they use on the nail salon. They sell it super cheap on Amazon as well because it's so much easier. You just dip your nails in there for a few minutes, I believe it is. I don't remember how much I did. I'm sorry. I don't time anything, so I apologize. But this is literally all it is, you guys. Once the nails get hardened, you could just go ahead and file it down if you want more, file it, and that is it, you guys. Super quick. You could use any type of powder that you want, any color. It's freaking easy, bomb. Anyways, you guys, let me know if you like this type of videos. A thumb up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you for watching.